EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for June 4th, 2019. For a second straight day, we're going to have slightly below average temperatures and mostly sunny skies across the region. It will be a couple degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday and less breezy, so it's going to feel noticeably warmer today, just not as warm as it has been before yesterday. So we had those temperatures in the 80s for a longer stretch, and we're above average. We're not going to see that again today, but we do see that happening in the near future because we have a warm front that's going to be moving through overnight and may touch off a few showers. And as it does so, here's that warm front right here. These images here don't really do it justice. This is not a simulated radar when we're looking at these global model images. This is a total precipitation, cumulative precipitation over a 6-hour period. So it's a little deceiving. It looks like, oh, well, we have some decent rain here. No, we really don't. We go over to the NAM here and start this off at midnight. That's where I think you have the opportunity for that shower. There's a warm front that's situated back here like this and is moving off in this direction. So as it does so, a few showers could break out across that. And you see that moving north and east here. Now this is going to go through the overnight, and this is now looking at 6 a.m., 7 a.m. I'm sorry, there's 6 a.m., there's 7. So a few leftover showers very early on for far northern areas before that warm front moves through. And because it's moving through, even if it's mostly cloudy on Wednesday, which probably will be in many locations, you're still going to have winds from a different direction coming in here, so you're not temperatures we're not in the low to mid 70s like it is today. Instead, you're 80 or better on Wednesday, and then again especially on Thursday when we're expecting partly cloudy skies to come in. But we do have an opportunity for late in the day here, very late in the day on Wednesday. This is looking like 6 p.m. on Wednesday. You see some storms that could happen here as they're moving north, actually, kind of crazy direction here, moving east-northeast is the heading of these storms. And this is looking at 8 p.m. now. You see it moving over to eastern Pennsylvania. These are scattered showers and thunderstorms. This will actually go through part of the overnight and actually become more scattered. I do expect overnight, Wednesday night, us to have a decent chance for scattered thunderstorms throughout most of the night, going right into early Thursday morning. Here's 8 a.m. on Thursday, maybe some leftover showers here at this point, but then we do expect it to be partly cloudy at some point here on Thursday. And again, very warm temperatures we're expecting on Thursday as well before a cold front comes through. So here is during the day on Wednesday. Again, not too much happening until we get into late evening and overnight. You can see the scattered showers and thunderstorms, and again, looks like we're getting a deluge here, and that's because this is showing a total precipitation amounts over 6 hours. And this will just be in the form of scattered thunderstorms overnight on Wednesday night, and then we get into Thursday morning. And you can see just the light grays here showing an isolated threat of a shower or a thunderstorm here on Thursday, but otherwise partly cloudy, it looks like, for most of the day. It might start off mostly cloudy with a shower at a few spots early on, but I do think we turn partly cloudy here on Thursday and warmer. And then we have the cold front move through, and that's going to settle off to our south, pretty far to the south, as a matter of fact. So we get to Friday. This frontal boundary is right here, okay? It stays off to our south, so all of this stays off to our south. We don't deal with any of this stuff. And that's going to be the theme going forward straight through the weekend. Not going to be dealing with the rain because the boundary is going to be staying off to our south. Now, we're on this side of the front here, the northern side of the front, so we're not going to have any heat waves. But temperatures are going to be near average for this time of year. It's kind of like, upper 70s and near 80. That's what average is this time of year. So at least we're not getting the precipitation. It could be much worse. This is looking at Friday here. We are dry here, partly cloudy. Here's a look at Saturday, dry again, partly cloudy. Look, everything's staying off to the south here. Now it's going to try here as we get an overnight Saturday night into Sunday to come close to our southern areas, it looks like. At least it's going to try to do that. And verdict's still out on that too, but everywhere else stays dry, and then we stay dry straight through early next week. This is the 7-day forecast period. Going beyond that, beyond Monday, which is the end of the 7-day forecast period, which is dry, it continues to remain dry for that entire period, for the entire 10 days. So we're not really dealing with that much precipitation, quantitative precipitation over the next 10 days. I think your heaviest period of rain, if you're going to have it, is going to be the scattered thunderstorms that are expected overnight Wednesday night. So from Wednesday evening through the overnight, you have those scattered showers and thunderstorms. I think that's your heaviest period of rain. Other than that, we really don't have too much. Isolated stuff tonight, and then that's pretty much it. That's it. So not too bad overall. Might just be dealing with more clouds than sun as we get into the Sunday, Monday timeframe, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Right now, it looks like Friday and Saturday are partly cloudy. And again, staying warm, but temperatures closer to average for this time of year. So we're not getting well into the 80s, but we're getting, upper 70s to near 80 for highs in that period. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for June 4th, 2019. Have a great Tuesday.